If you've tried everything for your pain, physical therapy, chiropractic, acupuncture, massage, and you're still dealing with pain, tightness, or other weird symptoms that keep coming back, you're probably not treating the issue correctly. I'm Brian. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and I work with people who feel like they've tried everything and still aren't getting better. Most people I work with aren't dealing with just one issue either. It's often neck and back and shoulder and hip pain, plus other things like poor sleep, breathing issues, digestive problems. Some people feel like all those things are connected. Others feel like they have just a bunch of separate problems. But a lot of the time, it is connected because your body doesn't work in isolated parts. It works as a system. Most of the people I see didn't have one big injury either. It's more of a slow build, small compensations over time until the body hits its limit. Not because something's broken, but because the system ran out of capacity to compensate. And that's where traditional treatments can fall short. They focus on the area that hurts. You're being told to stretch it, and it just tightens again. You're taught how to strengthen it, but you don't actually feel better from that. You get adjusted or have manual work done, but it doesn't stick. Sometimes those things do help, but often they're managing symptoms, not fixing the problem. Because the problem isn't just local, it's systemic. Your body is constantly balancing pressure, tension, and movement just to keep you upright, functioning. When one area isn't doing its job, something else has to take over. And over time, that's what starts to hurt. Your body's really good at compensating until it can't anymore. So what actually needs to change from that? Not just one muscle, not just one area, your function. That means learning how your body actually works together, how you breathe, how you manage pressure and tension within your body, how different muscles need to coordinate together. Can you fire the correct muscles when you need them? And then can you have them relax when they aren't needed anymore? Your neck and back might end up doing jobs that they were never meant to do because those pieces aren't functioning correctly. And for some people, this changes quickly. For others, especially if this has been going on for a long time, your body may have a lot it needs to learn because you're not just fixing one area, you're relearning how to use your whole body. But when it starts to click, it's often the first time that things actually stick because real change comes from learning how to move differently, learning how to breathe differently, and reconnecting to parts of your body that you didn't even realize you'd lost access to. So if you feel like you've tried everything and nothing's worked, this might be the missing piece.